Hi guys, one of the most common question which I've got from a student is, sir, current affair, how to improve the current affairs because I can't read newspapers every day or don't get time to read newspaper every day. So in this video we'll talk about the shortcut how to build your current affairs in one day. Obviously it's a cheat code, but it works. Normally it works. All you have to do is buy two magazines, Business Today and India Today of this month. Two of them. You have to spend 50 rupees, 100 rupees का खर्चा है इसमें. For example, let's look at this cover page of India Today. So coming up, Trump's. So Trump visit to India, everything related to that is covered here. Can India tackle a pandemic? Why Delhi is burned? Why Delhi burned? Everything you need to know in the last 1 week is covered here. So all you need to do is to buy this magazine and read cover to cover, page to page, and underline the important topics which you felt are there. For example, is India ready for the virus, coronavirus? Every attack which happened on India will be listed on that article. Yeah, so from this we'll make the points, and we are going to use this point in the GD and interview. Whenever you give me any question, I will give the answer out of this magazine only. So for example, there are 10 main articles in this paper. I have to read those 10 articles, 10 main articles, and underline the important part. So India Today is about the current affair. So one magazine is more than sufficient. This is just a sample page. And second magazine is a Business Today. Okay. Highest paid CEOs in India. I have to just pick up 1 or 2 names out of them, read about them, and use them in the GD. कोई भी क्वेश्चन आया regarding anybody, anything, I can answer from this. I can write about that. We have read the stats and we'll behave in the interview like, oh, you don't know this thing. Like this is the most common thing. Like you're a well-read person only by reading 1 week, one magazine. Yeah, that's an old newspaper, old article, old special issue in Business Today. Everything about the budget. Yeah, so don't need to buy the old ones. Only this month's Business Today and India Today is more than sufficient for you to cover up everything about the current affair. Yeah, 1 day, and you can read this in 1 day. 10 main articles from this, 10 main article for this, from this, and I can use that in every WAT. I can use that in every GD. I can use that in every PI. And use that. We're not going to say obviously that I only have read this month. Obviously, the moment you are talking sense or giving examples, you will come across like you are a well-read person. Yeah, why Delhi burned, for example, about all the riots. You can give the facts about all the riots which have happened in the past. Yeah, and those examples will help everyone feel like, yeah, this guy I have known is talking content, talking sense. Yeah, because one of the points which people have come out to me, sir, I want to write a WAT, but I could not get the content. This is one ready paragraph in your this thing. Any topic you can talk about this thing. Yeah, India Today and Business Today is your homework. Alright, all the best.